The group is made up of youths and elders reigning from East New Britain province, particularly Matupit Island, these weeks leading to the big festive celebrations in the National Capital District. The Pom Matupit male choir are visiting houses and gracing them with beautiful Christmas hymns.
It's initiated by the Moresby Matupit singing group. Is part of a program that we decided to give communities in Moresby a bit of how it is back at home. It's something that our local communities in Moresby, especially our Tolai community, has been looking forward to. I think we've made a big difference in terms of the last week come now, singing for our Tolai communities and having them to appreciate how it's like back at home.
The current secretary of the choir group, James Lumaris, said a brief on how they formally established the group.
Cover the leadership roles back in 2020. Initially it was by our uncles and boobos. Initially it was the Bilua group, and it kind of faded. So we decided, while we were joining at that time, we decided to make a difference out of the group. So we took over in 2020. We formed a group, better executive, and we decided to do it professionally. Everything, our meetings and everything are minuted. We have a bank account, and we have our members registered to the group. So formally established in 2020.
Bringing the feeling of home to the city, Mr. Lumaris expressed this is the usual way of celebrating the festive season back at home.
A message to our families back at home, like we're thinking of them at this time. We all wish we could be at home celebrating the festive season with our families back at home. Unfortunately, we're all here in Moresby, and part of that celebration and showcasing how we celebrate at home is coming and sing. But again, a message to the families back at home is just enjoy it in a good way, especially the young ones. If you're going into other things and how to express your how you celebrate Christmas, do it responsibly. Yeah. So other than that, I just want to wish people back at home Merry Christmas and great success in 2026. Yeah.
The choir group has become popular within NCD, receiving many invites to participate in various events and celebrations hosted. Benson Wema, National MTV News.